Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. And in this video, we are going to talk to you about how on earth you can show album artwork full screen on your iPhone on iOS 18. Don't forget to please, dear friends, put a like on this video. Also subscribe to our channel and please write comments after watching it. Well, let us get down to our topic. And first, you will need to open on your iPhone and play some podcast or video or maybe music. So you choose what you want to listen to after which turn it on. Now, when you've turned on music or some podcast or video, swipe please on the left side across the screen. It's like this. And now, so you can show the album art or podcast cover art on the full screen. Just click on the image like this. As you can see, it's very pretty. Now it becomes on the iPhone. As you can see, the lock screen is very nice with this kind of cover art of your podcast or your music. If you get tired of this kind of screen, you can just re-tap on your album art and it will minimize back into a small screen. That's how it is, dear friends. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and also write your comments. Bye everyone.